Shopping for a birthday gift.
Hello, looking for a gift?
Yes, for my friend's birthday.
That sounds nice. Any ideas?
Not really. I need help.
What does your friend like?
He likes reading and coffee.
We have several good options.
Okay, I would like suggestions.
This book is very popular.
It looks interesting. How much?
It costs $20.
That fits my budget.
We also have coffee mugs.
How much are those?
Most are $15.
They seem nice too.
You could buy both items.
Maybe, but I should save money.
What is your budget?
Around $30 total.
Then both would work.
Which gift do people prefer?
Many customers choose gift sets.
A gift set sounds good.
This set includes a mug. It also includes coffee.
Oh, that is perfect.
It costs $28.
That is within my budget.
Would you like gift wrapping?
Yes, please wrap it nicely.
No problem. It takes minutes.
My friend will love this.
I hope he enjoys it.
Thank you for the recommendation.
Learning how to use public transportation.
Need help with the bus system?
Yes, I am a little confused.
Where are you trying to go?
Downtown, near City Hall.
The number 12 bus goes there.
How often does it come?
About every 15 minutes.
That is not too long.
The schedule is posted here.
I see it now.
Look at the departure times.
Does this bus leave soon?
Yes, in about 10 minutes.
Great, I can make it.
Do you already have a ticket?
No, I need to buy one.
The machine is over there.
Can I use a card?
Yes, cards are accepted.
That makes things easier.
A one-way ticket is available.
I only need one trip.
Then that ticket is fine.
Do I need to transfer?
No, it is a direct route.
That is good news.
Stay on until City Hall.
Okay, I will remember that.
The driver announces major stops.
That will help a lot.
Your bus is arriving now.
Thank you for your help.
Have a safe trip.
Thanks. Have a great day.
Preparing for a neighborhood event.
Hi, are you joining Saturday's event?
Yes, I think so.
That is great to hear.
What activities are planned?
We have games and food.
That sounds fun already.
There will be live music.
Really? That sounds nice.
Many neighbors are helping.
I would like to help too.
We need more volunteers.
What can I do?
You can help set up.
I can do that.
We start early Saturday morning.
What time should I arrive?
Around 8 in the morning.
Okay, I can be there.
We also need table helpers.
What do they do?
They organize food and drinks.
That seems easy enough.
Have you met many neighbors?
Not yet. I am still new.
This event is perfect then.
I would like that.
Everyone is very welcoming.
That makes me feel better.
You will meet many people.
I am looking forward to it.
Great. We appreciate your help.
I am happy to volunteer.
See you on Saturday.
Yes, see you there.
Visiting a museum for the first time.
Welcome to the museum today.
Thank you. It is my first visit.
We are happy you're here.
What exhibits can I see?
We have history and art.
Both sound very interesting.
The history section is popular.
What is it about?
It shows early American life.
I would like to see that.
Good choice for first-time visitors.
Do I need a ticket?
Yes, tickets are required.
How much is the entry fee?
It is $10 today.
That is quite affordable.
Here is your admission ticket.
Thank you very much.
The museum map is included.
That will help me explore.
The art gallery is upstairs.
I enjoy paintings a lot.
You should visit it next.
Are photographs allowed inside?
Yes, but no flash, please.
Okay, I understand that rule.
Take your time exploring.
I am excited to start.
There's also a gift shop.
I might visit it later.
Enjoy your museum experience.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Setting up a study routine.
Ready to plan your study routine?
Yes, I really need one.
What subjects are you focusing on?
English and basic math.
Good. We can balance both.
I get distracted very easily.
We will fix that step by step.
How do I start?
Study at the same time daily.
Maybe evening time works better.
That is a good choice.
How long should I study?
Start with 1 hour daily.
1 hour. I can try.
Take short breaks in between.
Like 5-minute breaks?
Yes, short and refreshing breaks.
That sounds easy to follow.
Keep your phone away while studying.
I check my phone too much.
Put it in another room.
That might actually help me.
Set small daily learning goals.
What kind of goals?
Learn 10 new words daily.
That seems manageable for me.
Review them before sleeping.
Will that improve my memory?
Yes, it helps retention.
I want better focus.
Stay consistent every day.
I will try my best.
You are already improving.
I feel more confident now.
Good luck with your routine.
Thank you. I will start today.
Understanding airport security rules.
Hello, are you ready for security?
I think so, but I am unsure.
No problem. I can help.
What should I do first?
Place your bag on the belt.
Okay, I can do that.
Remove your laptop from the bag.
Oh, I did not know that.
It goes in a separate tray.
All right, here it is.
Do you have liquids today?
Yes, a small bottle.
Keep it in a clear bag.
Is this bag acceptable?
Yes, that looks fine.
Good. I was worried.
Please remove your jacket too.
Okay, I will remove it.
Empty your pockets completely.
Should I remove my keys?
Yes, and your phone.
I almost forgot my phone.
That happens very often.
I do not want problems.
You are doing everything correctly.
That makes me feel better.
Now walk through the scanner.
Like this? Slowly?
Yes, just walk normally.
Okay, that was easy.
You can collect your items.
Thank you for your help.
Have a safe flight.
Thanks. Have a great day.
Choosing gifts at a travel shop.
Welcome in. Looking for gifts?
Yes, souvenirs for my family.
We have many options here.
What do people usually buy?
Keychains, mugs, and shirts.
I need something small.
These keychains are popular.
How much do they cost?
$5 each today.
That is very affordable.
We also have discount bundles.
What is in the bundle?
3 keychains and a magnet.
That sounds like a good deal.
Many tourists choose it.
Do you have t-shirts?
Yes, different sizes available.
How much are t-shirts?
They are $15 each.
Are there any discounts?
Buy 2, get 1 half price.
I might take 2.
Good choice for families.
Which colors are popular?
Blue and white sell most.
I will take one blue shirt.
Anything else for souvenirs?
Maybe a small magnet too.
That would make a nice set.
Yes, I think so too.
I will pack everything for you.
Thank you for your help.
Enjoy your trip.
Thanks, I will.
Talking to a seatmate during a flight.
Hi, is this seat taken?
No. Please sit here.
Thank you. I am Emma.
I am Daniel. Nice to meet you.
Are you traveling for work?
Yes, a short business trip.
Where are you heading?
I am going to Chicago.
That is a nice city.
I hope so. I feel nervous.
First time flying alone?
Yes, my first time alone.
You will be fine.
Do you travel often?
Yes, a few times a year.
I do not travel much.
It gets easier over time.
I hope I get used to it.
What do you do for work?
I work in marketing.
That sounds interesting. And you?
I am a teacher.
That is a nice job.
Do you like flying?
Not really. I feel scared.
Just relax and breathe slowly.
I will try. Thank you.
Want some water?
Yes, that would help.
This flight is very smooth.
Yes, I feel better now.
We will land in 2 hours.
That is not too long.
Enjoy the rest of the flight.
You too. Thank you.
Following doctor's advice for better health.
Hello, how are you feeling?
I feel tired most days.
Let's talk about your routine.
I want to feel better.
How many hours do you sleep?
Maybe 5 hours, sometimes less.
That is not enough sleep.
I know. I feel it too.
Try sleeping earlier at night.
I use my phone before bed.
That can affect your sleep.
I did not realize that.
Stop phone use 1 hour before.
What should I do instead?
Read something calm or simple.
I can try reading books.
Good. That helps relax your mind.
What about stress during the day?
Take short breaks often.
I work for many hours.
Even 5-minute breaks help.
That sounds manageable.
Try deep breathing exercises too.
Like slow breathing?
Yes, slowly in and out.
I will practice that daily.
Also, drink more water.
How much water should I drink?
Around 8 glasses per day.
I will try to follow that.
Small changes make big differences.
Thank you for your advice.
You will feel better soon.
I really hope so.